All right, Jefferson Jaguars. Today's video is going to be over multiplying fractions by whole numbers. I want to get the obvious out of the way right now. First thing, I'm not wearing my glasses because they are transition glasses, and I have my garage door open so we have plenty of light. That means the glasses turn into sunglasses and you won't be able to see my face. So we're going to go ahead and start multiplying fractions by whole numbers. As you can see, I have two examples of multiplying fractions by whole numbers on the board. The first thing we're going to do when we are multiplying fractions by whole number is we have to turn the whole number into a fraction. We do that simply by putting a 1 underneath it. When we multiply fractions by whole numbers and we've turned the whole number into a fraction, the next thing we will do is multiply straight across. That will give me 1 times 2 on top and 3 times 1 on the bottom. Then I would just multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. So therefore, 1/3 times 2 is 2/3. Let's take a look at the second problem that we have on here. You have 5 times 2/5. I have to turn the whole number into a fraction. I do that by putting a 1 under it. I will multiply straight across. And this will give me 5 times 2 on top of 1 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5. Now, as you can see, 10 over 5 is an improper fraction. To solve improper fractions, we divide the denominator into the numerator. We divide the bottom number into the top number. 5 goes into 10 2 times. Therefore, 5 times 2/5 is 2. That's how you solve improper fractions. In this week's activities, you will run into improper fractions. I'm going to give you a couple key words that are going to help you out throughout this lessons. The two key words that are going to help you in the lessons with multiplying fractions is of and each. The word of literally means to multiply. If I have 3 groups of 5, that means I have 15. 3 times 5 would be 15. The next word, of course, is each. Each means to divide or multiply, and we can determine which one we will do by utilizing our problem-solving line. The last reminder I want to give you for this video is to please look at the math study sheet. I have included it under the topic multiplying fractions and adding and subtracting positive rational numbers. It's under the material sheet and it says study sheet. Remember, the rules for simplifying the fractions are on there. You must simplify fractions to their lowest terms, and you cannot leave a fraction as an improper fraction. Once again, if you have any questions or concerns about any of the assignments this week, please feel free to contact me on Google Classroom or send me an email at bill.peters@gcloud.tisd.org. Thank you very much for all your hard work, and good luck on your assignments for this week. Today's secret word is pumpernickel. Once again, today's secret word is pumpernickel.